Welcome to Adamson's ArrayIntelligence software video series. In this video, we will cover the loading of some design templates packaged with the ArrayIntelligence installer. In the installation folder, we can see we have the executable file, some design templates, some EQ snapshots, and the Quick Start user manual. For more on design templates, check out page 63 of the Quick Start user manual. The design templates are for use with small systems where detailed simulation might not be required. The templates are organized as follows. We have line source and point source. In the line source folder, we have compact arrays, which are typically 4 boxes ground stacked on their partner subwoofer, and short arrays, which are up to 6 boxes flown with their partner subwoofer. For point source, we have mini, small, and medium for CS7P and CS10P, again with their partner subwoofers. All of these can be modified to fit your needs, but are a good start. To utilize these design templates, connect your computer to the devices you want to control. In this case, we have a computer plugged directly into the first speaker and daisy chained to the last. Make sure all the cabinets are up to date. We can see here in the device browser on the right-hand side all of our loudspeakers and the firmware that they have and whether they need updating. If these speakers have been used on another event, we can select all and clear user data. Select the design template on the left-hand side in the file browser that best matches your application and your speaker setup. In this example, we're going to use the CS7P Point Source Medium template. Open the template as a new design. We can adjust the template if we need in the Blueprint tab, but on the home page, we have the global assign to assign all of the devices connected to the software. Here we can see on the left-hand column, all of them connected in order from start to finish. And across the top, we can see all of our subwoofers and CS7P zones to connect to. Once assigned, close the global assign and go online by clicking the ArrayIntelligence logo on the top right corner. Now we're online, so we can navigate to the control page. Once on the control page, we can see all of our loudspeaker groups. We have an all group that we've added, and the assignment dropdown shows all of the zones assigned to it. The templates also come with a tilt group added. Here we can adjust the high or low shelf tilt of our system by bypassing one or all of the filters. Now our system's online, let's make some noise. Stay tuned for more videos.